Hello everyone. This video is for anyone who wants to use or simply admire one of the most beautiful metro systems in the world, the Moscow Metro. It is actually very easy to use, but recently some colleagues told me they struggled to buy a ticket because due to sanctions, the English language menu was removed from the machines. So I made a quick tutorial to help you out. There are several types of transportation cards in Moscow. Today we'll look at how to buy a multi-ride ticket if you're here just for one day, or the Troika card if you're planning to stay a bit longer. The Единый ticket, unified ticket, allows you to travel on the metro, Moscow Central Circle, and ground transport. Each ride counts as one entry into any form of transport. For example, a two-ride ticket lets you tap in twice on any type of transport. The cost is 75 rubles per ride. The ticket is valid for 5 days, including the day of purchase. You probably don't have a Russian bank card, so just insert cash here and wait for your ticket. The next card, commonly used by locals, is the Troika card. Mine looks like this, a limited edition release to celebrate the 100th anniversary of civil aviation in Russia. It is a rechargeable smart card similar to the Knoll card in Dubai. The deposit for the Troika card is 150 rubles. It is refundable if you return the card to a ticket office within its validity period. The card is valid for 5 years from the last time it was used. It allows you to ride the metro, Moscow Central Circle, MCD, Zones Central and Suburban, and ground transport. I'm topping mine up with 300 rubles and I'll pay with my bank card. By the way, my bank card features a painting by Mikhail Vrubil called The Demon Seated, which is exhibited at the State Tretьяков Gallery in Moscow. Definitely worth a visit. For getting around the city, I recommend using Yandex Maps. However, keep in mind that due to GPS restrictions in Moscow, location data may be inaccurate, especially in the city center. But don't worry, someone will always be there to help you. I'm wishing you wonderful walks through this amazing city.